In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop sharing a Google Photos album. If you've shared an album before and now want to make it private again, the process is pretty simple. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along on your computer without any confusion. To begin, open Google Photos on your desktop or laptop. Using a larger screen can make this easier, especially when you need to find album settings and sharing options. Once Google Photos is open and fully loaded, look through the main navigation area and go to Albums. After you open the Album section, you'll see the different albums saved in your Google Photos account. From here, select the album that you want to stop sharing. Make sure you open the correct one, especially if you have several albums with similar names or related photos inside them. Once the album is open, look toward the top area of the page for the three-dot menu. This menu contains extra settings for the album. Click on those three dots and then choose Options. This is where Google Photos keeps the sharing controls for that specific album. Inside the album options, find the setting labeled link sharing. If this is currently enabled, that means people with the share link may still be able to access the album. To stop that, turn link sharing off. This is the key action that removes access through the shared album link. After you switch it off, a confirmation dialog box will appear asking if you want to make the album private. When you see the message that says Make Private, go ahead and select Make Private to confirm your choice. This final confirmation is important because it tells Google Photos to stop allowing access through the shared link. Once that's done, the album will no longer be shared by link, which helps keep your photos more private and under your control. If you previously sent that album link to other people, they should no longer be able to open it after the album is made private. And that's all it takes to stop sharing a Google Photos album. Just open Google Photos on your computer, go to Albums, choose the album, open the three-dot menu, select Options, turn off link sharing, and confirm by choosing Make Private. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.